Tucked away nearly a half-mile down a private driveway with a beautiful backdrop of open pasture and rolling countryside sits this well-appointed farmhouse featuring 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms along with comfortable living space. This 50-acre property offers the perfect blend of country living, turnkey ready for horses, cattle, or those purely seeking wide open space and privacy. With easy access to Louisville and Nashville, this mostly level to gently rolling pasture is ideal for a hobby farm equipped with a spring-fed pond, perfect for peaceful afternoons of fishing or simply enjoying the view. Over 400 additional acres are also available for someone looking for more contiguous acreage for running cattle, hunting, growing hay, or simply to own more land. This property is blessed with the year-round spring-fed flow of Sandy Creek plus 3 spring-fed ponds. Whether you're looking for a horse property, a hobby farm, hunting property, or a private rural retreat, this turnkey farm delivers. For more information about this offering, plus the additional available acreage, contact Pat Doyle at 615-490-2771.